Hi everyone, welcome back to Login page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your EFTPS, Electronic Federal Tax Payment System account on www.eftps.gov step by step. Whether you're making a tax payment, checking your payment history, or managing your account settings, this tutorial will help you get started. Let's dive in. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.eftps.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. Click on the Login button at the bottom of the menu on the website that opens. You will be presented with three options for logging in. Click on the one that suits you. Login with Login.gov account is usually preferred. Then, from the panel that opens, type your email address where your Login.gov account is registered. Type your password here and click the Sign In button. And that's it. Logging into your EFTPS account is that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video, and take care.